Okay, I'll show you a disgusting thing before you eat it. And don't eat. This is a toy that you cannot eat. This is poison. But you can play it at last. It's made of gems. And disgusting. It's from here they made of. They made of dirt, dirt and bark, poop, peas, anything on the sewer. And if you put it in rat poison, yes. Nobody eats that. Yes. Nobody. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.